Imagine creating music that captures your favorite artist's vibe, but uniquely yours. Generate full tracks in minutes. Whether you're an aspiring artist or just having fun, Suno AI lets you play with sound like never before. And stick around until the end of the video, where I'll share an interesting detail you won't want to miss. Ready to make your next hit? All right, let's jump in. This is the Suno AI website. First, you'll log in using any of the given options, and from there, we're ready to start creating music. Now we're going to go into the Create tab, and then we're going to turn on Custom mode. Now you'd want to generate lyrics for your song, and there are two ways you can do that. The first way is that you can just go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate the lyrics for you. Or you can just go into Suno AI and write the topic, and then it will write the lyrics for you. This does make lyrics better than ChatGPT. Then we're going to enter the style of the music we want. As you see, Suno AI has already created a title for us. After giving all the input, we're going to click the Create button, and then the magic happens. Okay, so now Suno AI has generated our tracks. It gave us two options, so let's listen to the first one.
Drops are falling from the sky, washing all my worries dry. Puddles forming in the street, feel the rhythm in my feet.
That was an interesting first track. Let's check out the second one and compare.
Drops are falling from the sky, washing all my worries dry. Puddles forming in the street, feel the rhythm in my feet. Laughter echoes in the air, wind is dancing through my hair. Sky is gray but I don't mind, finding joy is what I find. Dance, dance in the rain, jump, jump, feel no pain. Spin, spin, let it pour, laugh, laugh, want some more.
Wow, I really like the second one much better. It's incredible that we could create both of these tracks with just a single click. While this one had lyrics, the website also offers the option to generate instrumental tracks with the same ease. All you need to do is turn on the instrumental option. Now you just need to add the style of the music, and after that, you can write the title of your instrumental track. Then just click on the Create button. All right, we've got the tracks ready. Let's see how they turned out. Now let's check out the second one. These instrumental tracks were really amazing. They felt like the perfect soundtrack for a movie chase scene. So if you're interested in diving deeper into this tool, check out the style and genre list provided by Suno AI. This list can help you create the exact music you're looking for. Let's talk about the pricing. Suno AI offers 50 free credits daily, which allows you to generate up to 10 songs each day, more than enough for most users. If you need to generate more songs, you can choose from their paid plans to find one that best suits your needs. Did you know the background audio you've been listening to was created with Suno AI? If you like Suno AI, head over to the website link in the description below and start generating your own music. And as always, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.